Okay.
Lunge, lunge.
I can't do this. Oh my god. Don't.
Come on, push it. Last round. Medicine ball. Twenty times. Good. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 10 more. 2. Almost there. 3. Push. 4. Come on. 5. 6. Almost there. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. 10. Wow. That was hard.
Fucking shit.
Jesus. If that doesn't inspire you, don't know what else could do it. That was awesome. Good effort. If you guys think this is easy, this is hard. Hardcore stuff. Anybody wants to join us? Sundays at Dole, 8 a.m. Crab kicks, 20 times. $12, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Damn.
Next one, tornado ball. This is about a 8.8 pound tornado ball. £20 medicine ball. Water from 7-Eleven. Beautiful Kalihi. Work it out.
Isn't that shit? Fucking wall, man. That's right. Get it over it.
This way.
I know, I'm fixing it down. Down.
Oh, this is it? You guys will like this one.
Okay, wait. Let me stretch out my...
The intensity on this exercise is great. Great cardio workout, this tornado ball.
Hate this.
Hit it hard. Come on. Oh my goodness. Now the other side. That was some tough effort. Medicine ball.
Fucking bitch.
That's right. Fucking bitch. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Now she's gonna finish up with the jump rope and then we're done.
Bitch. I'm fucking done, man. I'm tired.
Do as many as you can and call it a day. Push it. Push yourself.
That's it.
The session is over. Fantastic. Any final words for your friends and relatives out there?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, we're done.